In this video we will give a brief the basic features of the new version of IDEA Architecture 19. IDEA 19 has the ability to change the characteristics of the BIM entities in the Properties panel. It also used as a filter to select specific entities. Generalized use of smart grips to handle any object of any degree of complexity in a very handy way. In this version of IDEA 19 we have new 3D furniture libraries with real view. We can use the orthophoto maps including the most precise and comprehensible visual information. We have new IFC input-output functions ensuring absolute compatibility with other BIM programs such as Revit and Archicad. We also have specific functions related to construction objects, such as corner windows and walls of any shape freely defined by the user. We have new totally restructured rendering algorithm for even higher quality. We have big advantages thanks to the adoption of the BIM 4D and 5D technology by adding the time parameter to link properly the building objects with the construction phase and consequently with the project planning, and linking the objects in time to a cost in order to estimate construction costs in the project budget.